Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Great news, guys, and congratulations. Yes, IELTS single module retake is available now. Okay, you know what happened? Many students were stuck with a single module in the past, and that single module was mainly writing. When students wanted to get 8777, and they used to get 877 and 6.5 in writing, and those who wanted to achieve 7 each, especially doctors for pleb, nurses, and all these type of medical students, they had to achieve 7 each, and they used to get 6 in one module, and they had to reappear. Now Cambridge and its partners, that is the first partner is British Council, second is IDP, they have actually decided to launch this single module retake, and there was a lot of buzz about single module retake, but they had not announced it. But finally now single module retake is available on computer delivered IELTS only. Check their gimmicks, their strategies, that now students will turn to computer delivered IELTS because of single module retake, and that is the added benefit. And because of this added benefit, students will prefer to take computer delivered IELTS because their preference is computer delivered IELTS. It costs them nothing. There is no arrangement. There is no paper stationery involved in it and all that, okay? So that's why they are actually promoting computer delivered IELTS. Now, what is single module retake? After your IELTS exam, the day when you get the result, within 60 days of that time, that duration, you can apply for single module retake, and that module would be any module: listening, reading, writing, speaking. Now, you apply for single module retake, and the fee is almost 50% of IELTS test fee, around 40 to 50% of IELTS test fee. Whatever IELTS test fee is in your country, you have to pay 40% to 50% of that fee to apply for single module retake. At the moment, single module retake is available in many countries, but in few countries they are going to start it in a couple of weeks or a couple of months, but very soon it will be everywhere. Now, what happens? You apply for single module retake, and if, for example, after appearing in single module retake, you get low bench score in that module, your previous result will be withheld. No, not withheld. Your previous result will be there as well, so you can use that also. I mean, you apply single module retake in reading, and first time you got 6.5, second time you got 6. Single module retake, and you want to go on with 6.5, you can do that as well. And one important point, this single module retake will not make any change in your overall bench score. Remember that, okay? Single module, for example, in writing you got 6. You applied for single module retake and you got 7 second time. Now this one band increment will not change your overall bench score. Your overall bench score will remain same. Now there is a question. Will the bodies, like for example, if you apply for education or immigration, will they accept single module retake IELTS test? You know what happened in the past? IELTS people during the COVID time, they introduced IELTS indicator, and countries and universities, they refused to accept IELTS indicator, right? So now they've got this one module retake. I mean, Cambridge, IDP, British Council, they are not partners of Canada, Canadian immigration, Canadian education and all that, okay? So they just see the credibility and reliability of IELTS, and then they decide whether they are going to accept certain type of IELTS or not. See that for UK, they had to make it IELTS UKVI, right? And for spouse visa, they have different IELTS. So this single module retake, before applying for single module retake, you need to ask the college, university, or if it is immigration, you need to ask immigration authority if they are going to accept single module retake IELTS. If they do so, most definitely it's going to be very useful, and on the certificate, they would mention that single module was actually retaken or something like that, okay? So it's a good news, especially like instead of putting all efforts on 4 modules. Now, if you wish to increase your band score in 1 module, you can have the single module retake. And remember, it is only available in computer delivered IELTS. Paper delivered IELTS, it's not available, and I don't think they are going to make it because they are focusing on computer delivered IELTS. All the best, guys. Thank you so much. I also teach IELTS all over the world, online and in campus in Lahore, and we offer IELTS test booking service, PTE test booking service. If you wish to go for any of these services, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best from the beautiful venue of his IELTS Masterclass, Royal Palm Golf and Country Club. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.